Given the rate of reaction is expressed in different ways as follow. So this is the very simple question and it is based on expression of rate. So expression of rate we can write very easily. So in general reaction, here A, B, C, in general I am writing at first. Expression of rate. So in general reaction I am taking here N1A plus N2B gives M1C plus M2D. So for this one rate of reaction I can write minus 1 by N1 molar concentration of A by dt equals to, so I can write minus N by 2 dB by dt equals to plus 1 by M1 dC by dt equals to plus 1 by M2 d by dt. So on the basis of this we can simply write for this expression. See which one is correct. Here plus sign, here also plus sign. Plus sign represent formation of product, appearance of product, and negative sign represent disappearance of reactant. So at first on the basis of this expression we can write for here dB by dt. So here I can write here B reactant side minus and here 3. So I can write here 3D gives for positive sign I can write for dC by dt and for this one also. So here for this one I am writing 4A and plus 2C. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. So for this one also you can write expression of rate like this. So this is a very simple question and you can easily solve it. Now next question. Next question is given in the reaction A plus 2B gives 6C plus 2D and initial rate is given for minus dA by dt 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar per second. So for this I can write expression of rate. So how we can write expression of rate for this one? If I write A plus 2B gives 6C plus 2D. So expression of rate I am writing here. So I can write dA by dt. For this one minus equals to minus 1 by 2 dB by dt equals to plus 1 by 6 d molar concentration of C by dt equals to you can write plus 1 by 2 dt by dt. So here just see for minus dA by dt for this one given 2.6, for this one given 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to, we need to calculate for minus dB by dt for this one what. So equals to I can write minus 1 by 2 dB by dt. So simply calculate it. So 2 into 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 dB by dt. Negative sign represent disappearance of reactant. So if you will calculate it you will get 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar per second. So which one is correct option? Option C. Next question. For the reaction, just see, this question is also based on rate of reaction, expression of rate and rate law. So here for this one I am writing for 2a gives b plus 3c. See, here I am writing 2a gives b plus 3c. For this one, rate of expression of rate, I can write here minus 1 by 2 dA by dt equals to plus 1 plus, so dB by dt equals to plus 1 by 3 dC by dt. This is expression of rate, or we can write here R equals to, or rate of reaction equals to this one. And according to rate law, now according to rate law also we can write for this one R directly proportional to molar concentration of A to the power 2. So R equals to K A to the power 2. This one I can write. So on the basis of this, on the basis of rate law, so we can write in this form also, or 1 by 2 k1 a square equals to k2 a square equals to 1 by 3 k3 a square. So which one is the correct option for this one? Here minus plus plus. So which one is correct option? So here one option looks like this here, because not option crystal clear here written. So you can see here written k1 by 2 equals to k2 equals to k3 by 3. So this is the correct option. Next question. So next question is given azomethane. See here question. Azomethane CH3NN CH3 decomposes according to the following equation. This equation is given. The initial concentration of azomethane was 1.50 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar. So initial concentration, just see, I can write here molar concentration of azomethane. Initial molar concentration of azomethane equals to given 1.50 into 10 to the power minus 2. So I can write here like this, 1.50 10 to the power minus 2. So here 100 0 cancel out, so 1.5. So here I can write 15 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here I can write 0.015 m. This one initial concentration. Final concentration of azomethane is given. Final 1.29 10 to the power minus 2 molar. So final I am writing 1.29 into 10 to the power minus 2. So also for this one 129 into 10 to the power minus 2. So here 100. So I can write 129 into 10 to the power minus 4. So I can write 0.0129 m. This one final. And average rate of reaction, we can write change in concentration of, I can write here for average rate of a reaction, change in concentration of A upon change in time. So here final minus, so here I can write final minus initial by change in time. So here final this one and initial 0.15. So I can write here minus 0.0129 minus 0.015 upon change in time. So 10 minus 0, 10. This one in the minute. So here if we calculate it, so I can write 0.015 minus 0.0129. So 0 minus, so here 1 5 4 minus 2 2 0 0 0.0. So I can write here minus, here actually this one minus rate of average rate of reaction. So I can write here minus 0.0021 upon 10. So here 0.0021 upon 10. So if we calculate it, okay, here according to option, if we check, then we will get, at first it convert into minute to second. So second, so 0.0021 600. So if we calculate it, we will get 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 molar per second. Okay, so this is the final answer. So this is the very simple question. Thank you so much. You can see answer. This option is correct. Thank you so much.